So, annual program part 2. What does my athlete want to achieve? My athlete wants to achieve a higher level of cardiovascular fitness. This would help with keeping up with endurance during match. Baseline info. Being that my girl is a 16-year-old athlete, she is more susceptible to ACL tears as well as tight hips. Also rotator cuff injuries as well, being that the sport uses a majority of your rotator cuff, shoulder muscles, and that's really the part that needs to be the strongest whenever you're playing because you use that same arm as your forehand and as your serving arm. She is 5 feet, 115 pounds, and she has about 10% body fat because she's so lean from playing so much and running on the court. Certain elements will not apply to all athletes as a whole because girls and boys are biologically designed differently. Rationale for testing. Testing would include doing cardiovascular drills. So there's a few different drills you can do in a tennis setting. You can do a pre-warm-up where you have the athlete running half a mile before they start. And that's a good baseline to test their cardiovascular endurance to see like where they really stand um, with that type of fitness, as well as doing suicides where they're running across the lines of the court and they have to do the sidestepping and sprinting. Sprinting is also a good one to see where you're at with your physical fitness for cardiovascular. Retesting would include performing the same cardiovascular drills as I named before for a reval every 5 weeks, just to make sure that she's improving.